Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete and create faces with your object. This should be pretty short. I'm going to tab into edit mode here on my cube, and really simple. Sometimes you don't want the whole shape to be there, so you want to delete some of the faces or edges or vertices. Well, pretty easy. Let me delete a face. I'll go to face select. I'll select that top face, and I'll just hit X. And it asks me, what do I want to delete? Delete the face. And you can see now I have an open cube. Let's delete another one. X, delete, face. And so you can sort of see how this works. Now let's say you make a mistake and you want to put something back and build it up again. Well, this is really easy to do too in edit mode. Let's go to edge select mode, and all you really do is you just select two edges and you press F to fill between them, and it basically makes the face. If you had this one here, you don't have to select all four. I mean, you could, but you really only need two of them. But either way, hit F, fills it back up. Pretty good. Where you're going to actually see this can be used is later on. It's going to be the start of being able to build any shape object, which we'll do in a little more detail later. But you could see, like if I select this face here, let's take it out. I kill that face. And let's combine this with a little bit from the last lesson, the extrude. See that edge there? I have an edge selected. I'm going to extrude Y. Out it goes in the Y direction. And now let's build it up in fill. Let's take these two edges, select them, hit F. Let's take these two edges, select them, hit F. Let's take these two edges, select them, hit F. And you can see if I cut this face away here, select the face and hit X, you can see, the model makes sense, right? Pretty good. So that's some basic creating and filling. And again, you can extrude edges as well, right? If you have an edge selected, you can go edge, extrude, Y, usually choose a direction, right? Edge, extrude Z, and you can start then doing your fills on them. Edge, edge, fill. All right, edge, edge, fill. Edge, edge, fill. Now, of course, there are other ways to make this object, but just trying to give you an example of the delete and the fill commands. Really useful.